Hello everybody, I'm Stephen Kowalczyk, the cocktail chef, and today we're going to make one of my favorite holiday cocktails. It's called a carrot cake cocktail, spiced rum carrot cake. You can say it any way you like. The point is, it's a carrot cake flavor profile that we're trying to achieve today. So we're going to start with some simple ingredients. We've got a spiced rum, we've got our nut flavor for the carrot cake, which is going to be hazelnut today. We've got a little bit of spice in the cinnamon schnapps, a liqueur, a Goldschlager. Then we have carrot juice. We have sugar, which is a simple syrup form. And then we've got a special cream that I've made. And I prepared this ahead of time. Now what this is heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. I add a shot of the hazelnut liqueur. And I add a heaping spoonful, bar spoonful of sugar. Add it into a very chilled tin, and then I shake it until it becomes thick enough to float on top of a drink. You don't want it too thick, so you have to spoon it. You want it to be able to pour on top of a cocktail. So we're going to put that away for later. Now, let's build our cocktail. So we're going to use 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. There we go. Very nice. Now we're going to go into our additives of flavor. This is the hazelnut. We're going to have 3/4 ounce. Of course, we've got our cinnamon that we want in our spice cake. You always have to have cinnamon in spice cake. So we are going to add 3/4 ounce of the Goldschlager. Now we're going to add some carrot juice. We're actually going to put 3/4 ounce of this as well. And we're going to top it all off with our simple syrup. And I'm going to add 3/4 ounce as well. So they're easy portions to understand, but altogether it's going to balance. It's going to make a very well proportioned cocktail that's going to be perfect for a party. So let's go. Now we're going to add our ice and shake it down. Keep shaking. We're looking for the condensation. That's always the key. And drain it and strain it. Don't waste any, because that's not good. Now we're going to strain this off and pour that into our martini glass. Very good. Perfect. Now we're going to actually top this off with our special cream. And we're going to float this right on top. Starting on one side, let it run to the other side. There you go. Perfect. And now what we're going to do is add a little bit of clove. Oh, there we go. A little bit of nutmeg. And to finish off with a decent portion of cinnamon. Excellent. And there you have the carrot cake cocktail.